My name's Vanessa and I'm the founder and manager here at Hope Rescue. I set Hope Rescue up 14 years ago because of the high numbers of dogs that were being put to sleep at that time. The official figures were over 10,000 stray dogs were destroyed every year due to lack of a home or a rescue to help them. We take every single stray from 6 local authorities across South Wales. It doesn't matter how old they are, what breed they are, or what their medical condition is, we commit to help every single one of them. We don't just pick up the pieces of animal welfare problems, we also try and tackle their root causes. We also deliver an awful lot of our work with just volunteers, and I can't praise enough the contribution that our volunteers make to our work. They're helping our dogs. We also know that our dogs are helping them. And yeah, that's just a really nice feeling. So as an animal welfare organisation, we traditionally rely on voluntary income, but we also work really hard to try and raise income through trading as well, to make sure that we're going to be here to help pets well into the future. It's hard work. I think we will get there. There's so much more to do, and we're not going to stop until no dog in South Wales is put to sleep unnecessarily.